How can people return to normalcy after facing a drug charge in Florida? Attorney David Salter says, typically, if it's a first time, then you can get back on track and have a pretty impressive life. I think most people are entitled to a mistake or two, and most people don't really hold their feet to the fire about that. The main thing is they can move on with their lives as long as they don't do it again. Career people, such as doctors and nurses, have a harder time dealing with the actual criminal aspect of it. Their licensing board is going to get involved, and they're going to want to make sure that you're staying clean and doing all sorts of things, and they'll typically put you on some kind of probationary period where you are still allowed to practice and still allowed to do the things you were doing before, but you're going to be monitored, and you're going to be required to take classes. If you file any of these things, they may then suspend or revoke your license. License revocation can happen, but it happens in some severe cases. More than likely, if you're a nurse and you got caught writing a prescription that you weren't supposed to be writing for yourself, your job may work with you unless you go through an impaired nurses program. You may lose your job, but you're not going to lose your license. However, you are going to be required to do some things in order to keep it. So you're going to be on probation with your profession, in addition to whatever happens with the court case. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney David Salter in Gainesville, Florida at 352-234-6010 or visit him on the web at www.dpsalterlaw.net.